Why does the 2023 Ford F-150 Tremor stand out as a good truck? Well, it's due to its off-road capability, powerful performance, advanced technology features, comfortable interior, versatility, and trustworthy. Let's take a look at it. This truck will have our lifetime powertrain warranty for as long as you own it. Your engine, your transmission, drive axle, seals, and gasket will be covered. The Ford Tremor does come with a range of powerful engines to suit different needs that you may need. You can opt in for a V6 or a V8 option. This truck will come with our V6 3.5 EcoBoost engine with towing power up to 13,700 pounds. The Tremor also does have 400 horsepower with 500 pounds-feet of torque. Taking a look at the back, you do have a power up and down tailgate. You also will have Ford's workbench so you can measure all the fish with you and your friends. The back is sprayed with a Rhino bed liner. The back does have an outlet in the left corner. You will also have LED box lighting. The cabin of the Tremor does prioritize comfort and convenience. Its interior offers passenger space, supportive seating, makes long drives more enjoyable. Ford has equipped the Ford Tremor with advanced technology features such as adaptive cruise control, evasive steering, pre-collision assist, backup camera. You will have memory seating, along with heated and cooled front seats. And don't worry, your fingers can stay warm with a heated steering wheel. Enjoy different drive modes such as normal, which you'll always drive in, slippery when it's snowy, deep snow, sand, mud and ruts, rock crawl. You will also have tow haul mode, you'll have eco mode, and sport mode. Enjoy the F-150's 12-inch radio screen with navigation. You'll also be able to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The Tremor will keep you connected and entertained on your journey. The 2023 Ford F-150 Tremor is specifically designed to excel off the beaten path. It offers features such as upgraded off-road suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, allowing it to navigate challenging terrains with ease. Whether you're going to be tackling mud, rocks, or steep inclines, the Tremor is going to be built just for you. So what do you say? Come in and ask for Felicia at Witt Ford in Crivitz. You can also give me a call, 715-854-7404.